07 of Jim Hansen, and back there by himself in that wing car is Ryan Lovald. That's everybody in this race. Pick your favorite driver. We're picking up speed. Here they come, they come, they go. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it's the one-man racing team of Lundy and Murtis out front. The 11 and 13 machine. 70W of Jason Schilling Jr.
The brakes on Scott Gardner. He checked up there, almost ran right in the back of Jason Schilling Jr.
Would have not been pretty, but Josh Lundy making it look easy in the 11 machine.
Josh Lundy definitely loves this racetrack because he's a one-man crew bringing him around.
Mertz still in second. Schilling Jr. in third. Gardner in fourth.
And Settler in fifth. Hansen sixth, and Lovald to round out the field. We've got 3 and 12 to go. Hang on to it, number 13, Craig Mertz almost went sideways as Jason Schilling Jr. is going to catch him now, coming into 3 and 4.
And that is definitely going to be where the battle is with Murtis and Schilling Jr. as Lundy slowly but surely running away. Murtis still in that second spot.
Schilling's right there. Here comes the 113. Scott Gardner starts looking on the inside of Schilling.
Schilling in that 70 machine trying to find his way around Murtis.
Whoa! Schilling neck and neck with the 13 car of Murtis. It's now Schilling in second place with an amazing move on the 13 of Craig Murtis. Here comes Gardner to look to challenge Murtis. The battle's for third. The transfer is at 2. Schilling wants to go to the feature tomorrow.
And Lundy making it look easy.
As the 7 car of Ryan Lovald bringing him around.
Just under a second difference between first and second.
We're now past the halfway point of this race as Josh Lundy is bringing them around. Followed by Jason Schilling Jr., followed by the 13 of Craig Murtis, Scott Gardner, Jeff Settler, Jim Hansen, and Ryan Lovald.
The Gremlin's still in the lead, the 11 machine of Josh Lundy.
As we've got a battle now for 4th place between Settler and Gardner. Oh, Settler hard inside, does a dirt track move. He's ahead of Gardner now. Wow, that was awesome. Settler trying to pull away from Gardner now. It looks like he's going to secure 4th place.
And Lundy coming up on Ryan Lovald in that 7 machine. Got that winged fin with the blue antennas.
He's got the 7 car lit up on that 7 there, Lovald. White, got a white number 7 lit up around there. Looks pretty cool.
Got the eyes in front, the antennas in back, and the fin on top.
White flag out this time by for Josh Lundy. Jason Schilling Jr. right behind him in that 70 car. 3rd place right now is Murtis. Here comes Settler. Settler is now taking over 3rd from Murtis. It's going to be Josh Lundy, Jason Schilling Jr., Jeff Settler, 13 of Craig Murtis for 4th, and the 113 Scott Gardner for 5th. Looks like the 7 car, I don't know who they scored 6th. It's going to be Jim Hansen, I think, in the 07, and then Ryan Lovald to round out the field, as Ryan Lovald had 14 laps in there. So that's your lineup. Josh Lundy, definitely a happy camper there, winning AA bracket bash number 2.